Hypnosis for unshakable self-confidence. So when you're ready, find yourself a comfortable position, somewhere you will not be disturbed for a short time, because you've made a wonderful decision to be here right now, to give yourself the gift of profound and positive change. And all you need to do is simply listen to the sound of my voice and allow each word to resonate in just the right way for your unconscious mind, the part of you that already knows how to learn, to grow, and to become more confident than you have ever thought possible. And you can begin by simply taking a gentle, deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow your eyes to close. That's it. And as those eyes close, you can begin to notice the contact points of your body, the places where you are supported by the chair or the bed beneath you. And you can notice the weight of your body, the gentle rhythm of your breathing in and out. And as you become more aware of sounds in the environment, the sound of my voice, the sound of distant traffic, or a far-off room, you can just allow these sounds to simply become part of this experience, noticing them without any need to analyze them or figure them out, because your conscious mind can drift and wander, while your unconscious mind listens and absorbs everything it needs to hear. So I wonder which hand feels slightly heavier than the other right now, the left or the right. Now you don't need to tell me. You might not even be consciously sure, and that's perfectly fine, because that unconscious knows already there. Just like the unconscious knowing how to tie your shoes or ride a bike. Skills that once learned become natural, a natural automatic part of you. Now, I'd like you to imagine a wave of relaxation beginning at the soles of your feet. A warm, heavy, comfortable wave that loosens every muscle as it travels, every tendon, allowing your feet to relax completely. And this wave can flow upward now into your ankles, calves, and your shins, softening and soothing every cell, releasing any tension held in the knees, and flowing up into the strong muscles of the thighs. Just letting go completely. A deep, heavy, pleasant relaxation. And this wave can spread now into your hips and pelvis, the very center of your body, releasing and letting go. And this relaxation can follow upward into your stomach and lower back. A warm, comfortable feeling of ease and peace. And then your chest and upper back can now join in this deep relaxation. And with every breath in, you breathe in calm. And with every breath out, you breathe out any remaining tension. That's right. Deeper and deeper still. And this wave of comfort moves into your shoulders, often a place where we carry so much weight. And you can allow that weight to go now, allowing those shoulders to drop into a perfectly comfortable position. And as the relaxation flows down those arms, through those elbows, into forearms, wrists, hands, all the way down to the tips of your fingers. Perhaps a tingling, heavy, deep, relaxed feeling. And finally, this wave moves into your neck and throat, releasing your jaw, allowing your teeth to part slightly, and the muscles around those eyes and forehead, scalp, until your entire body is embraced by a profound and wonderful state of physical calm and deep relaxation. That's right. Now, the body is so deeply relaxed, the mind can follow, drifting down deeper and deeper into a state of focused inner awareness, a trance state, which is really just a natural state of concentrated learning, where the critical, analytical mind, the part that sometimes doubts, could just step aside and allow helpful suggestions to filter directly into the unconscious mind, the source of all your automatic abilities. And the conscious mind can become curious about how many different types of relaxation there are. The relaxation of a cat stretching in a sunbeam, or the relaxation of floating in a calm, warm sea. The relaxation of listening to a favorite piece of music and getting completely lost in it, not knowing if minutes or hours have passed, because time becomes irrelevant, just like the number of breaths you've taken, stints listening to me. And you didn't need to count them, did you? Because your unconscious mind handled that, just as it handles your confidence. And it can learn to access a confidence so deep, so unshakable, that it becomes as natural and automatic as breathing itself. And you can wonder, will you drift down 10 levels deep or 20? Will you go down a staircase or an elevator, or simply sink effortlessly through a soft, supportive cloud? It doesn't really matter, because your unconscious knows the best way, the perfect way for you to access that inner resource of power and self-assurance, that core of steel wrapped in calm, that knows without knowing how it knows, that you are capable, you are worthy, and you are enough. And this core confidence can now begin to grow stronger with every word I speak, every beat of your heart, because you are feeling more and more confident. You believe in yourself and your abilities completely. This confidence grows stronger every day. You speak with clarity and conviction. You walk with a sure and steady pace. And you meet every challenge with calm assurance because you are confident. A tree does not need to try to be a tree. It simply is. Its roots dig deep into the earth, drawing nourishment and strength. Unshakable in a storm, its branches ready for the sky with quiet certainty. And it doesn't question if it's good enough, if it's a good enough tree. It just exists perfectly in its own space. And you can be like a tree, drawing strength from your past successes, reaching for your future with certainty, standing firm in your own identity, unshakable, confident, simply because it's your natural state of being. That's right. And a musician doesn't think about each individual note after years of practice. The fingers find the right strings. The breath finds the right pitch. It becomes unconscious competence. And you have within you the same ability for confidence to be an unconscious competence, so that in any situation, social, professional, personal, the right words, the right posture, the right feeling arises automatically, effortlessly from that deep, unshakable core within you. And your unconscious mind has a perfect library, a record of every moment in your life where you felt truly confident, truly capable, and in control. It might have been a small moment or a large achievement, a time you spoke up, a time you mastered a skill, or a time you felt truly proud. Now, right now, without even needing to consciously remember the details, your unconscious mind can locate one of those moments. And it can allow that feeling, that powerful, positive, confident energy from the past experience to flow into the present you, right now. That's it. Feeling that sensation spreading through your chest, warming you, empowering you. That is your confidence. It has always been there. And now you're reclaiming it, amplifying it. Make it your default setting. And every time you listen to this recording, you'll go twice as deep. The suggestions will take root twice as strong. And that feeling of unshakable self-confidence will become more embedded, more automatic, more a part of who you are. It will integrate into your daily life. And you'll notice yourself standing taller, speaking more clearly, making decisions more easily, feeling a calm power in situations that might have previously caused doubt. And you'll smile, knowing the change is happening from inside out. And now, it's almost time to return to full wakeful awareness, bringing with you all these positive feelings and changes, leaving behind any tension or doubt, because in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And at the count of 5, you will feel alert, refreshed, and feel absolutely wonderful, better than you've felt in a long time. Starting at the number 1, beginning to reorient your awareness back to the room you're in. 2, feeling energy beginning to flow back into your fingers and toes, revitalizing you. 3, your muscles feeling refreshed, alive and ready to move, feeling fantastic. And 4, your mind becoming clear, sharp and focused, retaining all the positive suggestions, carrying this new unshakable confidence with you. Eyes open, number 5, wide awake, feeling alert and feeling absolutely magnificent, refreshed, positive, and supremely confident.